What's up, Toneway Academy? I'm back with another video. This is a live trade, not on my live account, but I'm actually like live trading for you guys so that you guys can see what an actual market look like, how things can happen. So I'm pretty much in a live trade. I just made a fake demo account with the Toneway Academy so that you guys can see how everything works. Okay, I put my lot size on 3,000, I think, something more realistic, and I'm trading at 2 cents, 2 pennies. Okay. So right now, where I jumped in at, you see where it says sell, sell, sell 3 times over there in the white corner at the bottom. Those are all the 3 places where I jumped in. If you look at my balance, they are negatives because, you know, it's on a fake out right now, okay? So a fake out is, y'all see how the downtrend going, right? And it's jumping up a little green. That they faking us out. They trying to make us jump into a buy because they trying to make us think that it's about to switch. But me knowing better than that, because I can see that this is a downtrend, right? I'm like, let me hurry up and jump into another one because you can catch it. You can catch money on the downtrend. Like, you know, it's a downtrend. So what I did was I jumped in a 4th time. So you see I got 4 sales now, right? So I zoom all the way out. As you guys could tell, it went up on that peak and now it's going what? Back. It's climbing back down, okay? So I'm like, dang, this trend is in a down trend. See how I'm looking at it? That was a bird's eye view where I like to zoom all the way out. So I zoom back in just so I can see a little bit better, see what's really going on. So I'm like, okay. What I see is a sell. It's definitely still a sell. It's probably got to climb down a little bit more, right? So I'm like, okay, cool. I know I'm in the right trade. I know that this is definitely a sell, and that was just a fake out. That little green right there, that one little green was a little fake out, okay? So now I come over and check on my stuff. I'm like, okay, I got some negatives and some in the profit. That's good because I know that it's still about to go what? Down. It's still about to go down, y'all, because it's in a bearish market right now. Right now, the bears is really taking over. Everything is going down. Everything is red. Okay, so as y'all see, I zoom back out to my bird's eye to make sure I'm not tripping. I zoom back in. I'm like, okay, cool. It's still boom. Look how much profit is. Okay, now y'all see everything went from the negatives. Now it's in the positive. Okay, so we like, okay, stay right here. Don't jump out your sale. Don't jump out the sale. It's gonna go right. Look how much pips it jumped down. Y'all see my green lines up there? That's where I jumped in the market at and said it's going to go down from these points downward, right? Now, when I go back and check my profit, I should be in some nice profit right now because I just turned so that's just my little 2 cents should be a couple dollars by now. So boom, $3, $7, $10, $6, okay? And you all see that was pretty fast. That was only in a matter of like 2 minutes. Now, mind you, I didn't jump out. So check where I'm at. I zoom out a little bit, check on my little landing view. Boom, I'm like, okay. Oh man, I'm pretty much down still. Now look at me, $21, 20. Now I'm about to start closing them out because you don't want to get greedy. So I'm like, boom, close out at 19. I'm good with that. Boom, let me close it. Yup, close it. Close out at 18. I'll take it. Close out. I'm about to start closing. I'm like, dang, it's still going down. Before I close my other trades, let me make sure I ain't tripping. Oh yeah, it's still going down, but I think I'm still want to jump out though. Yeah, I'm gonna take my money and run. Boom, close it. Boom, hit that. I'll take my 13. You feel me? Boom, let me close that. Yeah, I'll take my $10.56. Ooh, I'm gonna wait. Ooh, $12. I'm gonna take my 12. I ain't gonna be too thirsty. Boom, and then I'm like, okay. Boom, I'm $60 in profit. As you guys can see right there, it says 60. Now, y'all see that negative 22 up there? That's where I messed up at. You feel me? I thought it was going to reverse and go in a buy, but I wasn't looking. You feel me? It was a fake out, and it faked me out. So that's how I lost negative 22. So don't be like that. If y'all want to see more like live trades like this where I can like explain it and y'all like how this working for y'all, please let me know, and I'll see y'all in the next video.